Oh shit, we got Rambo here. I'm done for. I just unlocked my level 4 reactor.
One shot kill.
And I fucking love this game.
One shot kill. One shot kill.
It's beautiful. As you can see. I have a question. Oh my god. Do you guys use your index finger or your thumb to shoot?
One shot kill.
I use my finger. Pretty sure everybody does, but you know, there's those
one shot kill.
Strange ones out there. Oh fuck. That was my thumb. Just kidding. Oh my god.
One shot kill. One shot kill.
I try to use my thumb, but it's a lot harder, to be honest.
One shot kill. One shot kill.
Rambo's over here shooting with his forehead. How do you miss? Ay, ay, ay.
One shot kill. One shot kill.
How do you consistently miss? I'll give at least like one miss a game. But two? Did I say I was in tier 5? I'm in tier 5 now.
One shot kill.
I couldn't get past the last like 100 points in fucking tier 4. Shit was annoying, dude.
One shot kill. One shot kill. One shot kill.
I swear it took me like 8 games. I would win and then lose. Win, lose, win, lose, win, lose.
One shot kill.
Satan. Headshot? Oh, shoulder shot. Those fucking big ass arms, dude. Piss me off.
One shot kill.
Good luck. Shoot it. Oh, quick scope. That's 3 misses. Don't fucking use a Ranger. Or a Barrett. Close game. I wish they made a close game. Fucking card thing. I'm just gonna put this in here for those of you still watching. Here's my thing. I'm almost at 1,000 games. 78% win percentage. Damn, on a 15 win streak. Sheesh. Average precision 8.3. I don't know if that's good or bad. I don't think I'm terrible. I'm a beast. What am I talking about? But yeah, here it is.